We are sponsoring the Vibe Code Fest, and I, as an engineer, I asked myself why did I do that? Because as Remy asked me, it's the armor arrow throw in my heart. So I felt like we have to do that, and we have to take the chance. So I'm gonna explain you why. And since our marketing guy is on occasion, so this will be not a marketing talk, because I don't like marketing and sales talk as well. And I think there isn't anyone that loves marketing talk, or is there anyone? No. Okay, so I was, this should be a bit larger, but okay. Last night I started with the slides because probably most of you I'm addicted with Claude Code. So I started late and I asked Claude to help me, and I told him to keep it short. So that's that's the result. So I start with myself. Who are we? What is Nine? So I'm Tom. I founded Nine 27 years ago, actually with Philip, who is sitting there. But he left us 7 years ago or 8 years, a long time ago. Nine is a cloud provider in Zurich. And to keep it a bit on topic, I'm using Claude Code since November 25. That feels like late to the party. And we are also not on level 5 with our company. And I don't do composting anymore. So I couldn't get warm with it. So the compost, he went warm. But maybe Lucas can help me how to solve that. A few projects I did with the help of Claude. So we migrated our website away from WordPress because I couldn't get in love with WordPress. So we have now Hugo, static site generator. It's MDs, it's what the AIs love and what I love. And it's in our GitLab, and it's feels like better. And then for my 7-year-old son, who has a bit problems with calculations and mathematics, I created an iOS app for him without writing a single line of code, and also with Claude doing everything to get it on the App Store. And the largest thing I did was we replaced our custom Odoo 14 implementation to a Go API server with Odoo 19. And I'm only on the $100 max subscription, so not the 200 one. So what is Deploio? Deploio is an app engine, and it's, if you know Heroku, it's basically the Swiss Heroku. And if you know Vercel, it's you can call it the Vercel of Switzerland. So it basically takes your code from your repository and deploys it, and you get a new URL with HTTPS where you can see your app running. So why did we sponsor this conference here? Most Vibe-coded apps, or all of the apps somewhere, need a home, so you need to run them somewhere. And we created already a while ago a CLI tool to create our resources. And I think the moment when Remy approached me, I just found out that Claude Code can use the nctl, our command line interface, as well. And it felt like a new way of working and deploying, because before you have to check logs, and then you put the logs to ChatGPT, and then you put the error back and forth. And with the agent, with him being able to push and read logs and fix and push, you can close the loop, and you're much faster. So how can you use or take advantage of Deploio? So there is the hackathon later on, and we also offer 1 month for free using Deploio and databases and Redis and whatever you need for your projects. June is free, but you need to enter this promo code to get it free. If you forget to add the promo code, just approach me or write me, we get that fixed as well. Then one word to the skill. So we have a new skill. You see that if you go on the website. It's not mandatory to use the skill, but to do a small promotion for the skill. Why should you use the skill? It works without the skill because Claude Code just uses nctl --help and then he finds out how it works. But it takes longer and he makes more errors. And if you use the skill for the Italian ones, it looks much nicer in your terminal. You have not so much congestions with errors. So then one more thing. If you want to get a year for free, you should run your app on Deploio. And we're going to do a raffle in a week. And the winner of this raffle will get 1 year for free for all the resources. And it has nothing to do with this price there. We do that independently. Okay, last reminder, use this code and get started.